Drag forward with your left hand to move towards the... Swipe the screen with your right hand to control where you're looking. Next, pick up the firearm. Pick up the ammo. There's the target. Tap right fire button to shoot. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Your enemies... Check the crate. Pick up the scope. The enemy is too far. Use the sights to help you aim. Tap left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Nice work. Stop. Great work. Let's take a look at the... Check the crate. Pick up the supplies. Health recovery items can... The bandage can only restore up to 75 points of health. The blue zone has appeared. The flashing blue area is the blue zone. You will continue... Flashing yellow area is the current play zone. The flashing white area is the next play zone. The blue zone will expand inwardly over time until it overlaps. Tap the button to... The play zone is about to shrink. Get to the play zone as soon as possible. You've made it this far. Finish off the rest to claim victory. Congratulations on completing